How you doing, officers?
Good. How are you?
Well, I'm not doing too good. Okay. These people are refusing me to entry into the building to get my service taken care of because I can't wear a mask. I have a medical condition exempts me from that wearing a mask. They have my money on their books, and they're refusing me into the building to take care of my service.
Okay.
Now, I've already had a problem with them once on this. Hold on, I'm going to get you on camera. I'm filming for my safety and yours as well. You got yours on? Good. The fact of the matter is they cannot discriminate against me for a medical condition, okay. And the mandate states that medical conditions are exempt.
Well, hello YouTube. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Dragonfire News. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on September 6, 2020. The man in today's video was having a dispute with the employees at a Verizon wireless store. The man said he couldn't wear a mask for medical reasons, and the wireless employees were so taken back that from the man's refusal that they called the Fillings police. Now, let's dive right into today's video and see how this plays out.
That's correct.
And I don't have to have documentation with me. I can get my inhaler out of the car if you'd like me to. Okay. I have COPD, diminished lung capacity. Okay. I do not have to carry the paperwork to prove it because that's a violation of the law as well. Okay. You cannot ask me what my medical condition is. No, I told you what it is.
It just goes a little easier that way.
Yeah, and that's why I said I have COPD, I have diminished lung capacity. Yep. I cannot wear a mask. Mm-hmm. It makes me pass out and faint. Okay. And I have money on the books in here. I have $83 on the books. Okay. I was told by their corporate office to come and get my phone taken care of and fixed. The manager in here refused to let me in because I can't wear a mask. Okay. That is against the law. It's discrimination. Okay. Not to mention I either get my phone fixed or my money back.
Sure. So have we tried doing this over the phone?
I can't do it over the phone because I need a new SIM card. You got to do that here.
Okay. All right.
So
I'm with you.
I've already called corporate twice on these people. Once in South Carolina and once here. Mm-hmm. Before I came here. And the gal at corporate said if I have a medical condition, they have to let me in. And she's like, well, I don't think they said that. Yes, they did.
Okay. Well, we're going to go talk with staff. I imagine you're going to hang out here, right?
Well, I have to. I'm either going to get my phone fixed or my money back. One of the two.
Okay.
I have $83 on the books in here.
And how do you want that? Is it just reimbursed to your account, or?
I don't have an account. I have I paid cash.
Okay, I got it.
And I'd rather have my service taken care of after being 10 years at this company.
Sure.
I'd rather keep my service at the company.
Sure.
But if this is the way they're going to act, I'd rather get my $83 back. And they're going to have to come out and ask me my name and everything to get my information, which you can't. I don't want you to have because you don't have the right to ask that.
All right, I got you. All right.
Because I'm not breaking the law.
Talk with them, okay?
Huh?
I'm gonna go talk with them.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna go from there, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Just make sure they realize that I can file a lawsuit against them for discrimination.
If we could figure out the whole service thing, would that be an acceptable?
Yeah. What they did in South Carolina was waited till everybody else left the store and let me come in by myself.
Okay.
That's what they did in South Carolina. I have video documentation and proof of it.
Okay.
So, and a corporate does know.
Okay. Got you.
Thank you. And by the way, what's your guys' names and badge numbers?
Schnoblin, 5265.
Sir, yours? You're going to fail to identify, officer? Wow. Fire News. We're out here again at Verizon for the second time.
I'm going to lay down some ground rules for you. Okay?
Yes, sir. What's the ground rules?
So they're willing to help you out.
6 feet social distance is all required.
Yep, 6 feet. So he's going to come out here. He's going to talk with you.
Yep.
Okay? They're going to get this taken care of. For all that to happen, I don't know, how it all works out.
I know how it works out. They're going
to. I'm just saying I don't know what they're going to have to do.
All right.
So it's going to be 6 feet apart, right? That's what we're going to do. He's going to come out. He's going to get your information. He's going to.
Well, if he has a mask on, he don't have to maintain 6 feet of
But
distance.
that's what he's going to do. Okay?
Well, whatever.
Is that fair?
That's fine.
Okay, and they're going to take care of that for you today, and they're going to do it out here. Okay.
Well, they got to change my SIM card. And what was your name again?
Aylers, 5113.
Thank you,
So
officer.
we're not going to be rude. We're not going to be yelling at people. He's going to come out here and they're going to help you out. Okay.
No,
That's
they're-
fine.
They're not.
Oh, they're not. Okay.
What?
They're not coming out.
Why not?
Because they said.
Well, then where's my money?
They said the way you conducted yourself, you can do it all through.
No, cash
by
is what I
phone.
paid.
You can do it all by phone. They said.
I want my money back before I leave. I'm not walking away without my money. They got my money on their account. It was cash, and that's what I need back is cash. I don't have a card.
Okay. Well, they said they can't do that.
What do you mean they can't do that? They can look up my name and see
I'm
how
not
much.
arguing how they conduct themselves and their policy and all of that. You know that we don't handle that stuff.
I
We're
understand
here
that.
to deal with the fact now that there's a dispute here. They want you off their property.
I want to jump in real quick and talk about private property and trespassing. Any property that is not owned by the government is considered private property in any state. This includes privately owned enterprises, land, offices, and homes. Trespassing is when someone enters another person's property without permission. Trespassing occurs when someone enters someone else's property despite being prohibited entry or being instructed not to. It is up to you to take action whether trespassing was done on purpose, deliberately, or by accident. So this means since the Verizon Wireless employees do not want this man coming back into the store and they want him to leave, the man has to follow the officer's instructions to leave the property or he would in fact be trespassing.
But
And
they
whether or
cannot
not you-
discriminate me from my medical.
File a claim with the under the ADA or whatever. Go that route.
Okay, so you're
right.
telling me I'm being told to leave.
Yes. Yes.
Wow. Well, I guess I'll file a lawsuit against you and them.
Private property, they have a right to pick and choose who's on.
No, they can't discriminate when there's a mandate stating.
That is why you need to make a claim under the ADA. If
Mm-hmm.
you just discriminated against based on your health issues.
That's ridiculous. I want the number for your corporate office before I leave. I do have it, but I want their boss's number.
Coming out. They said they're not going to deal with you based on how you conduct yourself in there. They're going to close you out.
I didn't conduct
They said
myself
they're
in
gonna
there.
Close you out as a customer, so I'm sure this will all resolve itself.
Well, in order to close me out as a customer, they got to give me my money back.
Their security team does that.
How's their security team do that? They don't.
Contact their number.
Huh?
Contact corporate about that.
All right, whatever, guys.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Dragonfire News YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.